Wondering if someone blocked you on Instagram? Let's check step by step. First, search their username in the Instagram search bar. If their profile doesn't appear or shows no posts, that's a red flag. Open a direct message thread with them. Blocked users may show no message history. Try following them. If the follow button disappears or fails, you may be blocked. Check comments, likes, and tags from that account. Missing interactions can indicate a block. Use a friend's account or a secondary profile to search that user for comparison. Open their profile link in a browser, instagram.com/username to double check. Look for messages like user not found or an empty profile. These are common signs. Remember, account deactivation or privacy changes can mimic blocking, so check carefully. Quick tip: verify with another account, avoid assumptions, and respect the other person's privacy. Follow for more social media tips and quick Instagram how-tos.